Hello guys, I hope you guys remember this CEXIO, this one, this power tap. So their mining has ended. I think a lot of you have forgotten about it already because it's been a while. I think we started earlier this year, or was it last year? I can't really remember actually. But basically, the mining has stopped on Telegram. It's a Telegram app airdrop. So you can now claim, and I think they will be distributing to your connected wallet. So let me just open. If your account is not opening, just use a VPN to access it and you'll be able to open. Currently, I'm opening with a VPN because I tried opening earlier and it was not opening. So I on the VPN and here I am. So you see, the game is completed. The game has ended. All your reward data has been sent to BeCEXY team. To claim your reward, please register on the official website. All further information about the airdrop will be announced only on BC Telegram. Or questions you may ask in their community. So I'll just click on this visit portal. I'll open this on my Chrome browser. Okay, let me just open my Chrome so that I can see what they are asking. Okay, welcome to the feature of engagement 2. Let me click on get started. So position, I don't know which one is this one. They are saying position again. Then I'll just click on my airdrop. So here they are saying I should subscribe. I'll go to YouTube, subscribe, watch the video, find the hidden pin code and paste it here. Let me click on this. So yeah, I'll just click on subscribe. So watch what video did they ask me to watch? Watch the video, find hidden pin code and paste it here. Where's the video? 19. Which video are they saying? Let me check this first one. So guys, I watched this first video, and from the comments so far, I think their code is timing. The code they drop for this old versus day trade, the thing is saying depleted. So, and from their channel, yeah. So every day they upload video. So if you are seeing this video, take note of this time. As at time of making this video, this is 19 hours. Mean that they will still upload a video today. So you should make sure you are active so that you can get the code fast before they expires. I think the code expires. They are trying to time number of people that can use the code. If I enter the code on this new order video, that code is 19909. You see, code depleted, user limit has been reached, please try a new one. So take note, meaning that you have to first come first serve. That's what it means about this code thing. It has to be first come first serve. You keep an eye on their channel to see when they will upload a video, and you can be among the first people that will be able to use the code for their next upload. So after that, then what we need to do next is this connect wallet. So we are connecting Solana wallet, but they want us to use this Wigwam, this one. So even if I don't have it, meaning I'll have to download. Let me download. There's no option for Phantom wallet, but I think I'm seeing Sophia. But let's just do this. Since that is what they are recommending, maybe they are going to be distributing firstly for those that use this Wigwam. So after I download this one, I will be able to connect. Then once I get the code, I can enter and proceed. The ones who proceed with the code and it has been accepted, you can claim. They will automatically send, I think they will automatically send the airdrop to your connected wallet. That's what it means. They've not made any profounded announcements about listing yet, You just have to claim ahead of time. So let me open this Wigman and see how this one looks like. So this is another Solana wallet they are trying to promote, I guess, for them to recommend this. Maybe they are partner with them or they are affiliated with them. I can't tell, but we just have to do it and continue. So yeah, to get started with this Wigman, you enter your email and you click on continue. So using this Wigman wallet, you enter your mail to create a wallet. You verify your mail from the code they will be sending to your mail. Then backup wallet by creating a password. You create a password, uppercase, lowercase, and one, what's it called, and special character. Uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. You create the password, confirm password, and click on backup. Then this is done. Then this finish backup, let me see. So yes, I've completed the wallet creation process. So I can now go ahead and add it here. So I can now come here to add the wallet I just created, and I'll still select this Wigwam. It should load a pop-up notification, and I can click on connect, then hold to connect. I'll just hold. Okay, I think I've connected. So let me see. Let me just refresh. Okay, the signing, this thing is just popping up. So basically the connection is successful now. So it has been connected. Then I'm left with this code thing. So had it been the code, they've not uploaded a new video. Once I see that code, I will enter it here, click on this check code. Then once it has been approved, I'll click on accept terms and conditions. Then I'll click on apply for qualification. By the time I click on the apply for qualification, I'll see my allocation and the bar, this thing. There is a slide bar that shows your progress. So it shows that, okay, you complete a task and thereabouts. So once the tax bar is completed, if I wish I can get this code, but unfortunately, there's no how I'm going to get code until they upload a video. So basically, the moment I can get the code, I can enter it here, accept terms and conditions, then click on apply for qualification. Then on the next page, it will show my allocation. Then you can now click on claim. If you click on claim, it will be claimed to your wallet, this wallet that you connected. I don't think you can change wallet. So take note, I don't think you can change your wallet address. It will be sent to this wallet that you've connected. And they've not announced the day of distribution. So there's no point asking when will they send it, when will they send it. Maybe it will be automatic. Maybe it will be like you have to claim using a link or something. But just know that anytime you enter your code here, they drop video once in a day. So make sure you are early enough to get the code before the limit is reached, because it's first come, first serve. Once you get the code, enter it here, accept terms, click on apply for qualification. Then on the next page, click on claim. They will distribute to this connected wallet, or probably they will later release a link to claim. So they've not announced that precisely if they will be distributing, they are paying the gas fee, or they will drop a link and you'll be able to claim using the wallet that you submitted here. So whichever is going to happen, maybe there will still be an updated video, I don't know. But just know that when you see your allocation, just click on claim, and you will receive, hopefully, to the wallet that you're adding here. There is no option to change wallets. Make sure you are connecting wallets that you know that you have access to, because from here no option to change wallet. So this is the update about this CEX airdrop, and how to pre-register for the airdrop claiming. Stay tuned for the subsequent updates. If there is any need to do a claiming or withdrawal or selling video, you should await that when they eventually give us the airdrop. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video, like, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.